Hi friends, so let's go ahead and review lifelong idli cooker. So if you have seen my previous videos, I did not have a proper idli cooker, so I decided to invest in a lower budget one. So this is one of the cookers that was on a lower range. So let's open the package and see. So I decided to do a unboxing video. It does look to be a small one, but I don't need to make too many idlis. So it comes with some manual. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, introduction. About the product: precautions before use, cleaning and storage, warranty and terms and condition. Alright, so I would need to read this, which I will do later. So, okay, so we need to fix these handles, the screws and the whistle. Okay. So it is not heavy, not really heavy, and it does not have copper bottom like the new ones, but I don't make idli too often, so I don't want to invest in the high range at this point. Maybe later, but see, for starters I think it's pretty good. Okay, it comes with 3 trays and we need to assemble this. I don't know whether I'm doing the right, which is because I've not read the manual as of now. So, let's see this. So we use the big screws at the side and the small screw that goes on top. So just hold it like this. So I just realized that I fixed the other handle the wrong way, so I need to undo that and do it again. So this is the right way, so guys, don't make this mistake. Okay, so this is it, and this is it. Now what is this for? So this is it for this, and I guess so. So we don't. So there is no instruction manual, as it's pretty easy, and it mentions your warranty coverage from defects. The date of purchase would be 1 year. So I guess this is just to lift it up. If I don't know if you all know what this is for. If it's for some other use, please do let me know. As for me, I feel it's to lift, and that's a very good idea. It's a very good idea, and it's pretty good. The water is just going to be minimal. You need to be very careful about the water so that it does not shift. It does not touch the idli stand. So we're just going to lift it out like this. So maybe later when I make some idlis, maybe I can give you a live demonstration of that. For now, this is it. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.